Painted a few more of my figurines, the metallic copper. As I'm moving along, I'm taking you on my journey of repurposing things I already have and painting, using paint to, give new life to this industrial theme. Because if you look back, I was in a country, rooster, chicken, sunflower theme kitchen, and now I'm going industrial. And look at this. I decided to paint my stove. I mentioned in the last video I was going to buy a new stove, but I invested in a quart of high heat. It's supposed to be able to reach 1,000 degrees. It's actually paint that you can use for your outdoor barbecue. And I painted my stove. And here it is. It's a 2-day project. I had to open up the windows in the kitchen, have some ventilation going because it's very strong. I cleaned, spray painted all the knobs, cleaned and painted the handle, and then down at the bottom of the storage area I painted that copper, but the rest is high heat paint. I did not paint the grills. I can buy new ones, and these are pretty, I couldn't even get them cleaned, so they're pretty worn out, and I can invest in 4 new grills. But I did not paint that section, just the stove. And I taped off certain sections so you can tell it was a white stove at one time, because a black stove, if you purchase a black stove, it has the black tempered glass. There's nothing white on it. So anyhow, I decided to paint it. And this is how it turned out. It's like I painted my vent. My vent used to be like a yellow color. I painted everything I'm painting. I'm using like a metallic copper. Even my switch plates and my light plates. You just remove them, wash them down, dry them, and spray paint them a couple coats. Repurpose what you have. Save money. My next project will be a new refrigerator. I'm thinking it's going here, and this is all going to be removed and placed over on the other side of the kitchen. And I'll take you on that journey. But here it is. The black and copper painted stove. And yesterday I did cook up some hamburger and bacon. Made bacon cheeseburgers for my son. Stove worked fine. We'll see how long it lasts. I can eventually purchase a brand new stove if I want to. But I just love that copper and black, and that's going with my industrial theme. Metal is in industrial theme. Usually metals that you use is the corrugated metal, silver metal. But I decided anything that is chrome or silver, I'm painting copper. So everything's going to have a copper accent. All right, this is going to be removed. I'm going to buy a trash bin cabinet so you could pull out the cupboard and throw your trash in it and cover it up. And that's going to be a black cabinet. But that would be placed on the other side of the kitchen once I get that all remodeled and finished up. And then right here will be my refrigerator. This is what I plan on doing for next time. So we'll see you again soon. And who would have thought I would paint my stove? But I'm a very bold person. Nothing frightens me. And when I was first applying the first layer, I'm like, oh my gosh. You're so used to everything being white, and then all of a sudden, black this and black that. But the copper is really what's bringing it out for me. I love copper. So there you go. You got your warm tones and your industrial theme started. See you again next time. Be sure to follow. Life is a beautiful ride. Don't you think? Pass.